We're walking back home from church.
Even though church is not over yet, but
we're bored and I got humiliated.
It was hilarious. Okay, because we couldn't, it was really crowded, the church was really crowded, and then we had to stand up, so we were just like leaning on like the wall and everything, and Alicia,
shut up,
so happened to be leaning near the control panel of like the whole church, and then like the lights went out and everybody looked at her, well us technically, but mostly her, and I was like, Alicia, are you near the control panels? And then she's like, no. She turned around and like everything was like off, and she's like, no. So she like pushed a button, like everything came back on.
I can't believe that, like I actually got the right button. I'm like,
yeah, I'm surprised you didn't press like the self-destruct button.
No, I would have. Don't tease me.
You're gonna go back to, I can't believe you. You totally didn't get me that time.
Shut up.
I don't know if you did. We'll see.
Still going. No, this is like 1 minute and 11 seconds you would never get back.
Oh no. Who's gonna watch this?
I don't know. But we're gonna be better whenever we get home. All over the place.
All over the place. Are we even gonna upload this? Because like watch me not be able to find a little cord.
Oh my gosh.
I don't even know what it looks like. Mom says she has it, but I don't know where she has it. We should bring basketball, and then we should play on the basketball goal right there. Didn't even look at the basketball goal.
No, I didn't.
See, are you gonna make them go like psychedelic? Psychedelic. Roar.
You're supposed to be screaming like you're going upside down. My hand is freezing. Oh my gosh.
Water. Good, we're good.
No, did you notice that the birds are gone?
What words?
The birds.
Birds. Why all the birds
They're
gone?
gone.
Gone.
Oh, it was the rumble
Gone
waves.
forever. Gone. Gone!
No.
Gone. We had birds, by the way. In case you...
Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna jump in there. See?
You want to step in it real quick? Oh my god. Just like slam on it.
Fills up pretty quick.
I got 2 more minutes left.
Alright.
Like a paparazzi.
Ching ching.
Ching, 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 ching. Britney Spears!
In the Asian one.
Asian formation. Creation
Amazing
of your
Asian
imagination.
Domo. Oh my god, we should talk with guys.
So, how was your day?
You're a scary guy.
I'm like, Dracula.
Shh, that's my car right there.
Mine. Well, that one's mine. You're jealous.
I gotta find a better car. That's what I need to do. My god, that's can't talk like that.
I can't feel my nails.
That's a nice show. Oh my god, that's stuck in my head. Okay, and Fighting Dreamers, that's hilarious.
I want a tall slab of pancakes and butter.
Fighting Dreamers Pro, that's their presents. I don't know, but they're awesome.
Pineapple Express. Did you ever watch that?
I've never seen that.
Seriously?
No.
You suck.
But it looks like
Darian.
not really good. She never really answers that question.
I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna say Darian. What? You suck. Teresa. What?
She probably heard that now.
Oh, she's gonna watch us.